Here I have DOOGEE S61 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to transfer files from internal storage to SD card on this device. So to do this, all you need to do is to just go to Files application. So basically you can transfer like downloads, images, videos, audios, documents and others and apps. So let's transfer some images this one time. So let's pick this one. So to select it, you just hold down your finger on it. To select multiple items, you can just tap on them one by one. Don't hold down your finger on them. When you're done selecting, tap on three buttons here. Select if you want to move or if you want to copy these items. So let's move. No, I mean let's copy. Then select SD card. Go to any folder you like, could be pictures for me, tap copy here. And now you'll have these images not only on your device, but also on your SD card. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.